Hello, our project is about nutrition macro counter, and it is a code that we've done that helps the user find the nutritional value of the foods that they choose. The team members are Avesta,
Hi, it's Avesta. With the student ID of 8321723, I'm studying mechatronic.
and Nour,
Hi, this is Nour. My student ID is 8118954, and I'm studying business management.
and Lein. My student ID is 7715584, and I study media and communication. My part of the project is logic. The logic with the code is quite simple, as it provides two services for the user. Firstly, the user shall choose a food that the code is familiar with, such as Swiss steak, cooked pasta, salmon, cheese dip, chocolate dip, raw green beans, chicken feet, and so on. The foods are then calculated by grams, as the code is designed to cater meals by grams, and the amount will be most accurate given the amount of grams the user wishes to inquire about. After, the code then computes the nutritional facts of the foods. Said code will be able to provide the total fat, total carbohydrates, calories, protein, and sugar contents for the food of choice. If the user wishes to observe further nutritional information, the code will not be able to assist as it was not coded to calculate more than the 5 components listed on the program. However, the code can be edited to be more useful for the user if they wish to do so, because the programmers are willing to create a successful code that helps users reach their goal while using the program.
So as Lean mentioned, logic, I gonna teach methodology. This program asks user to enter the food which they want to consume, and then it requires them to enter the amount of specific food they want to eat. It is detailed program in which people who are really careful about their diet can utilize this. Thus, their lifestyle becomes really healthy as well. As a matter of fact, it provides some information in decimal shape to be more exact regarding calories, total fat, protein, sugar, carbohydrates of the chosen food. For example, regarding salmon, this program gives us this calories 1.27, fat 0.04, protein 0.2, sugar 0, and carbohydrates 0. Then I'm gonna explain the code. Firstly, we should set any name you're comfortable with as a variable. For instance, here it is set as user food to contain some information related to whatever we want to talk about. Then it is only needed to use one of the most important keywords called input to ask the user to enter some data. Afterwards, parentheses to put string in. A string in something is shown directly to the user. Here, for example, the user should enter the food name they consume only. It is also possible to utilize different variables as well. This one is grams. Moreover, float is one of the other keywords that accepts decimal number from user. Thus, they enter whatever they're comfortable with because of input. Furthermore, text of the string is overriding as well because it makes it smoother for reader to answer correctly. So it's another important step as well. Meanwhile, the index in the starting 0 and not 1. Print is most important keyword in Python programming, in my opinion. It displays that you want that the only step is needed to do is to use parentheses. Using a string here and using index then by putting 0 and 1, 2. Index 0 is referred to gram you entered previously, and index 1 is user food. They are substituted automatically. Parts follows the aforementioned sample and symbol stars means multiplication, so grams in float format multiplies in food, which contains both food and user enter, and also calories he or she wants to know in float format again. By the way, until the one that starts with carbohydrates, the sample is all the same, so I just skip cause of repetition. F is substitution part of the Python, that is brings a specified thing in one place. The rest has been explained meticulously before, and the sample is the same, such as this for the rest. So Nour, explain.
So basically here, we've already put in 6 different types of foods, as well as their calories, fat, protein, sugar, and carbohydrates. So as we can see, the input here at first is please enter the food you consumed. So we entered Swiss steak, which is already programmed, it's already written in the program. And then the program asks, please tell me how many grams of Swiss steak did you have? So we put in the number of grams, and then due to the calculation, it shows the calories, total fat, protein, sugar, and carbohydrates. So in conclusion, the program is set to provide the nutritional facts of a food entered by the user based on the amount of grams that they have entered of that chosen food. So it made use of the input information to access an accurate and current nutritional database that is up to date, ensuring that the data provided was correct. So the enhancement we would make as a team is to have the program store and track meals and provide personalized recommendations based on dietary restrictions or goals. So this program has the potential to become a helping tool for those seeking a healthier lifestyle. Thank you.